So we have an airplane windshield. Yes, it's out of an airplane. We got it from my cousin. This thing supposedly weighs 100 pounds. We're obviously just gonna shoot it and see what happens with different sizes guns. If it makes it through a couple shots, that'd be great. Honestly, I have no idea what would happen, what's gonna happen. Right out here up into this jump, got the GoPro. Hopefully we don't mess that up or hit that, but this is what it looks like right now. And the next clip will be us shooting at it and seeing what it looks like, putting a bullet in it or through it, or who knows what'll happen. Ricochet, maybe we should hide behind something just in case it comes back and hits us. That might be smart, actually. Well, he shot at it before I started filming, so. Look at all the lines. He shattered it.
Wow!
Holy. So that was the 22. That was the AK. Holy smokes. So the AK went straight through it. But she's still intact, so we're just gonna keep shooting it with different stuff.
That was fun.
And now look at all of them.
Like the grand finale on 4th of July.
22 doesn't go through, but basically all the other ones do. I'd say that was somewhat of a success. That was pretty dang sweet. The slug was pretty cool. First time shooting that. A lot of kick. That's a fun gun to shoot for sure. The AK, we just went crazy with it at the end, and then it went crazy on it. That was cool. We scuffed up and kind of grinded the old paint and rust off, and then repainted it green. I like spray paint Papa's head completely white.
Age him another 20 years.
Yeah. Guess it doesn't mean anything. What do you have to say, Rachel?
I'm so excited. I'm ready to go.
Oh, he turned. Oh, he did a donut. It's illegal to shoot guns on like your property. Also, I might have messed up your autofocus. I don't even know. I touched your screen, and it had a little square bouncing around.
No, that's good.
That was fun, but also it was really scary.
Oh, my keys are about to blow my pants down. It's fine. All the soccer field people inspired me. The greats that came from this field. I might have to take a dump. Not gonna lie. Wait, no, I think I'm fine.
Not turning all the wheel all the way, but you can do it without doing it.
Yeah.
You just gotta like, when it does that jank, you gotta pull it off and not let it do that. But this flat stuff is perfect.
You want the helmet, Max?
Nah. Wait, what'd you say?
Helmet.
What about it?
For that. Him.
Use that. We're in a public place now.
Yeah.
If we get in trouble, we're like, hey, we're wearing helmets.
We are safe people.
Alright, Max. Give me a hard quote. Oh.
I'll let the actions speak for itself. Wait, that's not a quote. Pull! What? Pull the lever, Kronk! Oh.
Hard quote, hard quote.
That's a quote. Squeak, squeak, squeaking.
you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. As long as you're fine.
Dude, that thing's off. Dude, in the edit, I don't need a helmet. You want the helmet, Max?
Nah.
But dude, him.
Awesome. You literally did like 4 in a row.
Austin, what's the quote of the day? Chef Gusteau, anyone can cook. That's so true.
Agreed.
All right, pull it. Let's see it, let's see it.
And there's no water protection.
That was fun though. It was refreshing, but on a different level to where right after I felt gross.
Juicy.
Anything for the vlog though, right?
Yeah.
Apparently, after all these years of doing it, I probably would have figured out that it's dumb.
What do you think, Rachel? Is that gross?
Yes.
Well, you didn't just do like
Some parking lot mud water?
Dude, I thought you were.
Personally, I would be fine if I wasn't in like jeans, because I think that's kind of like uncomfortable.
I thought you were gonna do like a turn and just hit
Wet
the
jeans.
wheels.
Yeah, no.
But you like drove
Not a fan.
straight through that thing.
Oh.
I wonder how
She's
many
not a
people-
fan of your wet jeans, Landon.
That's not good.
Well, I just feel like I would not like to be like wearing those. I feel bad for you.
It's style, actually.
It is a sock.
They're
Wet
called
jeans.
juicy jeans.
Juicy jeans.
Juicy jeans got the
Soggy
alliteration
slacks.
though.
Soggy slacks. There
That's
we
a
go.
good one.
Soggy slacks. Moist.
Oh. There's
Moist.
no pant that starts with an M.
Moist.
I don't know. I don't think so.
You gotta find other wet things that like that you can put with
Damp
it. Like,
denim. Damn denim.
Look at that damp denim stuff. What else? That was good.
That was really good.
I got nothing. What else is like a word for like
good.
wet?
Moist. I'm telling you, moist.
We already did moist. No wait, no we don't.
I didn't think of anything.
But that's the part of my vlog where it's just thinking.
Comment
Just
down
thinking
below.
is happening.
What
You
starts
have-
with
you have
what starts
to
with an
entertain.
M that could be like used for the word replacement as pant? The type of pant that starts with M.